Could you please explain to us about the TB-Pannet project, about its goals?
Sure. The TB-Pannet is a EU-funded project to the FP7 program. As a project with 27 partners located in the 26 in Europe. We have one American partner. Some of them are located in Eastern Europe. The main goal of the project is to increase the capacity to diagnose, to treat and to monitor the epidemiology of tuberculosis in Europe. We are aiming to increase our knowledge in basic research, and the basic research knowledge will be translated in better diagnostics. And we also are aiming to improve the capacity to recognize and properly treat the cases of tuberculosis, in particular the people affected with tuberculosis that is resistant to first-line antibiotics. At the end of the project, we will aim to have a better knowledge of the mechanism of virulence in tuberculosis, to understand more about the mechanism leading to resistance to antibiotics in M. tuberculosis, to have increased the capacity in both Eastern and Western Europe to recognize and properly treat a case of MDR-TB.
And could you please explain what the project has achieved up to today?
Up to today, this is the first year of the project, and what we have achieved is quite a good amount of data on new markers that could be potentially used for diagnosis of M. tuberculosis. We have also started to study a new field such as small RNA that could be important in the pathogenesis of M. tuberculosis and in the regulation of the mechanism of M. tuberculosis infection in the human macrophages. We also have completed the training package that has been revised and has been tested, and the training package is aimed to improve the training of NTB managers around the world. We also have started an MDR-TB patients database, and we are starting the collection of data on MDR-TB strains and tuberculosis non-MDR strains coming from metropolitan settings in Europe in order to improve the our knowledge on the risk factor for tuberculosis and for developing MDR-TB in Europe.
And could you please explain to us about this meeting?
This is what is called the first annual meeting. It comes after the startup meeting that was held last year in February, and is a partner meeting where everybody comes and discuss with other partners the data that were generated by his or her group during the first year. And the real aim of the meeting is to cross-fertilize the groups through a proper discussion and a change of opinions in order to improve and to speed up the achievement of our goals. No, I think that we are pretty satisfied by the participation and by the results that we have obtained in the first year, and we really hope that the second year will give us even more results.